Hello, this is Ben Brooks, Client Advisor at Sandy Sensing BMW, and the feature that I'd like to demonstrate today is the automatic parking available on most of the all-new BMW models. Today I'm sitting in a 2026 BMW i4 eDrive40i, and let's just see how easy it is to allow this BMW to park itself. So here we have a situation where many of us face, we're going through the parking lot, we see an empty space. But imagine if we just want to back into the space. Check how easy it is to do with the automatic parking feature available on this BMW. You simply want to press this button in your middle console. It's the parking assist button. As we press that button, we'll notice that on our screen will pop up several choices. And the selection we want to pick is automatic parking. We also want to simultaneously, or right before we select that, go ahead and put on our turn signal. In this case, we're going to park in between the blue and the Brooklyn gray BMW ahead of us. So as we activate our turn signal, we also want to press the automatic parking button. And once that's lit, we want to proceed forward with our turn signal on. And we'll notice that this BMW will simply begin to scan for available parking. And it looks like it alerted us for one behind us, but we don't want to use that one. We want to go ahead and proceed forward to this space. So we simply continue forward. And there we have it. It's found that space, and we simply want to select the space here on the screen by pressing here. And we want to remove our hands from the steering wheel, and we want to release the brake. Now we still want to monitor how fast this car backs up, so we do want to kind of hover our foot above the brake, but check that out. The car is doing all of the steering itself, and we also want to monitor our surroundings. So say it's approaching the blue one, the car stops, it puts itself in drive, we release the pedal, it pulls forward. And again, this is all part of the automation of this BMW. All we simply have to do is sit back and enjoy the ride. Again, it's going back. Straightening itself up. Let's put itself back in drive. It's going to pull forward. Now it's putting it back in reverse. My foot is hovering above the brake pedal. And there we have it. I still haven't pressed the brake. The car has put itself into park. It's now all set, and notice the accuracy of this park job done by this BMW. So there we have it. Automatic parking is available. If you are interested in seeing this feature for yourself, feel free to reach out to me. Again, this is Ben Brooks, Client Advisor at Sandy Sensing BMW. You can always call or text me at 850-723-2870. Have an awesome day.